What's up, maniacs? Hope you're doing well in quarantine. And no need to comment on the quarantine beard or haircut. I know they're both pretty awful, but we're rocking them anyways. Today we're gonna do repair, and this is, if you didn't know, a deflector lip. It's found right in front of each tire on the front of the Countryman. We have the two deflector lips. We have some new clips. I got one extra because I know I'm gonna break one. And I think we're just gonna need a plastic pry tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, make it a little bit easier to work on this, and yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, the old deflector lips need to be replaced. A little loose. So we're gonna remove the clips and then replace it. So we're just gonna remove these old clips. And there's one more right on the inside there. That's the fifth one. 4 underneath, one up here. And there it is, our broken lip deflector. Okay, these do have a side. They do say left and right on them, so I put the right one on the right side. All right, let's do this in reverse. Everything looks like it lines up nicely. Slip those clips in. Okay, all the clips are in, so I'll just snap them in place. And that's it, new lip deflector. Now we're just gonna do the same thing on this side. I knew I'd break one. Glad I got that extra one. So yeah, that's it. Quick repair. These deflector lips obviously have seen better days, so I'm glad I replaced them. And I'm also glad I got that extra clip because I did break one while trying to install it. I bought these at outmotoring.com, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get them if you need them yourselves. But yeah, for these, we don't need these anymore. In terms of tools, plastic pry tool, that's really all you need. Takes a quick 10 minutes to do the whole thing. So that's it for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave any questions you have below and I'll try and answer them. And next time I think we'll try and do a cold air intake on the F56, so you don't want to miss that. Catch you later. One more thing, don't forget to wave, obviously from a safe distance right now, but yeah, catch you later.